Okay, let's get started. So you should have a battery that sort of looks like this. This is old and messed up, but so yours should say 5,000 right here where this is all ripped apart. mAh, and then it should tell you down here 7.4 volt 2S. The 20C doesn't matter. Lipopolymer battery. So it's a lipo battery, LiPo, which is down here in the corner. LiPo. And that's what your battery should look like. And you should have a Dean's connector on it. And then this this white piece here is a balancing port. You need this to charge it. This and this will be what connects to your charger. And let's see. Okay, so here's your charger. This is what you should have. Then you've got a positive and negative plug-in port. So now you got a positive lead and a negative lead. So your negative goes into black, positive goes into red. Then you should have a Dean's connector here that just plugs into the battery. And you should also have one of these that came with the kit and one of these. And this end here with this lip on top here, that's going to plug in to the top of this with that top piece facing on the top. And just slide it in. Slide it in there. Just like that. It should kind of snap on like that. Then you got a bottom piece. And this piece is going to plug into your charger. Now right here where this charger has two notches at the top. Those two notches and these notches on the top of this. I don't know if that's clear or not, but those two notches that are on the top are what's going to slide into those two ports, those two slots right there at the top. So you'll slide this in there, and let's push it in all the way. It should look like that. That's as far as it goes in right there. Not going any further than that. Okay, now I'm going to pause here for a second and set up so we can try to show you how to charge it. Okay, now we're back. Let's see how we can set this up to show you how to charge it. You're going to need a battery bag, which you should have. Yours is black. The one I sent you I think is black. This thing here is where your battery will go in when you start charging. You slide it in here and you shut that down. So when you start to charge it, put it in here. So first, we're going to plug in the charger. So I'm going to plug it into the wall. Okay, I'm back. I had to get a different battery. The other battery is not going to plug in. This one is also a 5,000 milliamp, 7.4 volt, 20C. So we're going to go ahead and hook this one up. But I already got everything set to 5,000, so I reset it to 5.0. Then we're going to plug in the Dean's connector. And then you're going to take the little balance port, this little white one, this balance port. Same thing with those tabs on the top. They're going to go into the slots on the top of this thing, right here. And it's going to go in this first one right here. This very first one. And right where the tabs are and the slots in the top right there, those notches is where those notches are going to fit into. And it should snap right in. So try to get this to snap in there. Notches on the top. Plug it in, snap it in. Now it should look like that. That's plugged in there, and that's plugged in there. Don't mind the way that this one looks. This is a different type of Dean's connector, but it's still going to be the same thing as yours. So it's going to be set up just like that. You plug it in. You notice this red wire goes here, and the red wire goes there. Black wire, black wire. So it's in perfect synchronicity. Alright. Then slide your bag. Slide it into the bag. Hang on. Slide this in the bag. Shut the bag.